Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your Viber is not responding or working. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. The first thing to do in order to solve the issue is to check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working, and once you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, go to Viber and see if your problem solves. Sometimes if you don't have a strong internet, then you'll have trouble while operating Viber. Next thing to do is go ahead and check if your Viber application is up to date. To do so, go to your Play Store for your Android and your App Store for your iOS and search for Viber in the search box. Once you find the application, see if there's any update available. If there is an update available, you'll be able to see an update button popping out in the screen. Simply tap on update and download to the latest version of Viber application. Once you install the latest version of Viber, you can go ahead and see if your problem is solved or not. Next thing to do is go to your settings on your phone and search for applications or apps under settings. Now, from all of the list of the applications that are installed on your device, select Viber. Tap it on and you'll end up in the app info page. From your app info, tap on storage and tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on clear data at the bottom left. From the pop-up, select OK, and after you make this change, all of the data stored in your applications will be deleted permanently, and it will include files, settings, accounts, and databases. Tap OK. Now go back to Viber and see if your problem has been fixed. If that still does not fix, then there's the last thing you can try out. Simply uninstall your Viber application and reinstall it back onto your smartphone, and your problem should be solved. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.